If you have issues with your games because they're slow or laggy, this could be happening because you're not using the correct graphics card. So, in this tutorial, we'll teach you how to force Windows to use the correct GPU. This tutorial applies to Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, open your Start menu. Open Settings. Select System. Select Display. Click on Graphics. Choose the game you want to access your Intel, AMD, or Nvidia graphics card. Click on Options. Choose which graphics card you want to use. The high-performance selection should be the best one. Now press Save to apply the settings. If you want to find out which graphics card your PC is using, right-click your Start menu and select Task Manager. Go to the Performance section. At the bottom, you will see which graphics card your game is using. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.